Black Hole. Siguro, gagawin lang namin dito sa Castle Water Park kami for first day. Tapos, ikot-ikot dito sa seaside. And then, meet namin yung auntie ko, si Auntie Nemia. Auntie Nems.
Remember that video where we meet Auntie Nems?
Yeah, first video.
Yeah, so, first video.
Meet lang namin si Auntie Nemia. Siguro tomorrow or mamayang gabi. Tapos, ikot, kain, dinner.
And this is part 2 of Blackpool.
Yeah, part 2 ng aming Blackpool trip. Bye. See you again later. Dito kami mag-check-in for a night. Dito sa Linden Hotel. Tabi lang siya ng seaside. Ito yung dagat sa tabi. Ayan, dagat. Ito lang yung hotel namin. Malit lang na hotel, oh. Alam mo, Transit. Ayan, hotel na yan. Tapos nasa tabi ng parang Manila, babe. Pero anyway, ganda naman. Cool. Let's go. Wait lang, ano? Please mind the step. Puro matatanda. Puro thunders nandito.
Oo nga. Bakit nga ba?
Puro thunders. Mami, puro thunders nandito.
Ano lang muna natin kung pwede tayo mag-iwan ng gamit. Pag hindi, paano yan?
Dito tabing dagat. Ayun, Chillax.
Kasi kayo, magsuswimming kayo eh.
Ito yung
ang tanong, saan kami?
Walang ano.
Ano yung sinasabi ko?
Mami, mag-video ka. Here. Okay.
Is this for
You feel excited? Are you excited?
Yes. Is this
Swimming
for
time?
Is this hotel for old people?
No. It's not old.
How about young people
Yes, of course.
and children?
This is a hotel for everybody. It's just that there's so many old people coming around here. Bye, Mommy! Bye! Let's go, set. We're going to the Sandcastle Water Park. Let's go. Dito tayo tumaan sa gilid ng ano. We're in Blackpool. We're going to Sandcastle Water Park.
And I'm gonna sing you.
Huh?
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I wanna see this. Oh wait, I didn't know the lyrics.
You don't know the lyrics. We keep on singing, you don't know the lyrics. Dito tayo, lakad tayo sa tabing dagat. Huh?
It's right. Where's Sandcastle Water Park?
Yeah, over there.
Oh, over there.
Yeah. So this is the tramway loop place. Is there a tram? Okay, let's go. Look at that. Nice. This is the park. Beautiful. that?
Yeah.
Kami na San Castle Water Park. Naglakad lang kami from Linden Hotel to yung Linden Hotel sa banda dun. Pero I think it was here, yeah. And then naglakad lang kami ni San kasi medyo malapit lang naman. Siguro mga 10 minutes po, ganun. 10 to 15 minutes po. Okay lang, kaya lang. Malamig din eh. Napakalamig. Lamig na. So, malamig. It's so cold actually. Sila, mami, nung the next day sila sa hotel, sa lobby, sa lounge. Kasi, ang check-in time namin, ano pa, 4 PM pa. Check out namin 11. Sobrang saglit lang, pero mura lang naman kasi doon. Nasa 40 pounds lang. Kaya okay na din. Tsaka mag-overnight lang naman din kami dito. Tutulugan lang din namin yun. Walang problema. Are you happy, Seth? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Sobrang excited na to si Amat. Let's go. Let's go.
How's it going? Oh look, it's abandoned. Abandoned volcano.
Lapit na kami sa water park. San Castle Water Park. It's up here. Nasa tabing dagat kami kanina. Tapos biglang nag-wave. Ayun, basa ang sapatos. Basa yung sapatos, buti may dala kang medyas. Walang dating. Ayan, ito namin sa San Castle Water Park. Here, Seth. Ito na rin yung Pleasure Beach, Seth eh.
Yeah.
Pleasure Beach, yung theme park. Water park tsaka yung theme park magkatabi lang. Tapatan lang sila sa tabi. Malapit na kami ni Seth. May restaurant pala dito. Sa gilid. Kinuha naming time is 10 to 4. So dalawang slot yung kinuha namin. Kasi dalawang slot ngayon eh. So 10 to 3. 10 to 1 and then 1 to 4. Kinuha namin yung dalawang slot. So here at San Castle Water Park, Blackpool. Here, Blackpool, San Castle Water Park. Alright. Sobrang napakasaya. Sobrang solid. Alam mo yung sakto lang yung pool eh. Sakto lang yung water park. Yung mga slides, tapos yung mga activity na pwedeng gawin doon. May wave pool sa loob. Sobrang liit lang niya. Actually parang ano lang siya, siguro mga 2 hectares na. Mga ganun lang eh. Mga 1.5 hectares na lugar lang. 2 hektarya. Pero alam mo yung pinagdikit-dikit lang yung mga ano doon. Pinagdikit-dikit lang nila yung mga slides, yung mga wave pool. Nandun na halos lahat. And What are you going to rate the Sandcastle?
10 out of 10.
Oh, see? 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Maganda naman, maganda. Kumbaga, sa tagal mong walang swimming pool na hindi nakikita, eh, gandang-ganda ka na rito. Pero maayos naman. Yung facilities, okay, malinis. Tapos, ang daming lifeguard. Every station, every kanto may lifeguard siya. Bawal lang talaga yung filming sa loob. Bawal magdala ng camera, bawal magdala ng cellphone. Kung magdadala ka ng cellphone sa loob, parang ipapaalam mo dun sa parang first aid station nila dun. Pero hindi ka dapat mag-swimming, nandun ka lang sa may parang cafeteria nila dun sa parang ganun. Pero yun, ganda. So, sobrang solid dito sa Sandcastle Water Park. Sandcastle Water, you recommend the Sandcastle Water Park? I-recommend nyo rin Sandcastle Water Park. Yeah! After this, susunduin kami ni Ate Nemia. Morning. So, lakad-lakad tayo. Tatawid tayo sa kabila. Maaga pa. Mag-8, yan. 7:45. Si Shane, si Mama, tsaka si Seth tulog pa. Ay, hindi, si Seth pala gising na. Tsaka si Mama. Si Shane lang ang tulog. May asawa ko eh. Tulog kalabaw eh. Ngayon, maglalakad tayo ngayon dito sa may tabing dagat. Kasi maganda yung araw eh. Sayang. Hindi natin maglakad. Wait tayo. Sa tabing dagat, guys. Let's go. Tabing dagat, here we are. Here we are. So ito yung tabing dagat ng Blackpool. Pakita ko sa inyo. Blackpool, tabing dagat. Here we go. Sobrang lawak naman. Sobrang lawak ng beach. Beach doon, sa pinakadulo doon. Sa after ba, Blackpool Tower. Sa punta doon, beach yun. Beach line yan hanggang dito sa dulo. Hanggang doon sa kabila. Sa may Pleasure Beach na may rides. Sabi ni Andy, gagawin na raw siyang Pleasure Beach. Pleasure Beach Resort. Ano yung gagawin? Nandito. Diyan ako dito. Beach. Alam mo yung mga bike sand dito. Taka na, lumubog ako dito. Sunday. Daluyan ng tubig. Ano ba ang kamay? Hindi na makalabas dito. Ayaw ko yung talonin ko. Ayaw ko yung talonin ko. Okay, hindi. Seagulls! Pwede pala ako dun dumaan eh. Pakahirap pa ako dun ng puta. Lakad tayo dun sa banda dun. Lakad tayo dun sa may bank. Yan. Nasa ilalim ng mga matag dun. Ilalim ng mga poste. Kaya natin lakarin yung ilalim ng poste din. Let's go. Kasama nung pag-build yata ng Blackpool Tower ito eh, pinit na to. O sige, mas matanda pa, early 1900s. Ayun. Ano mga bakal niya ito eh. Diba? Lapit na tayo dito sa ano. Tinagos natin to. Yan, tinagos natin yan. Galing tayo doon sa kabila. Ito yung Blackpool Tower. Last year nang pinuntahan namin yung Blackpool Tower. Ay, mga 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Isama namin sa Antinems. Akit kami doon sa taas. Tapos kita mo na yung buong 360 degrees na buong Blackpool. Buong Blackpool Town. Kasama na yung buong stretch ng beach. Simula dun sa dulo hanggang dun sa dulo sa Pleasure Beach. Yan na yung Pleasure Beach Resort namin. So, kita tayo. Balik na tayo sa hotel. Ikot lang natin yung buong stretch ng beach. Ay, ganda picture na ito. Picture na natin. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Blackpool, siguro kailangan, hindi ka morning person na kailangan mo kumain. Baon ka ng pagkain. Baon ka ng mga ano. Baon ka ng mga, ay, mga sa loob, may mga fish and chips, sarado ba? Baon ka ng mga cup noodles, gano'n. Tapos dali mo sa hotel. Kasi may mga kettle naman dun eh. Pero pag nagutom ka, tangina kumain ka, di ba? Sa umaga. Nakakaina kasi alas 10 ang bukas sa mga lintik na tindahan. Alas 10 ko eh. Mamatay ka na sa gutom. Gugutom na ako. Tapos kakainin mo mga ganun lang, mga fish and chips, mga ganun. Gutom. Wala ka nang magagawa. Sa hotel naman, pag kumain ka naman ng pagkain ng hotel, mahal. 10 pounds, 11 pounds, mga ganun. Okay, clear. Ay, mga ganun na. Kaso puro fish and chips eh. Ang mga kainan na kainan talaga na okay. At may McDonald's kagabi. Pumunta kami ng McDonald's na siya eh. Yung McDonald's mga 6 minutes away from dun sa may hotel namin na walk. Sakto lang. Siguro kung paano yung nilakad ko kanina na simula dun sa hotel, from hotel, tapos nilakad ko papunta doon. Yun, ganun lang din kalaya. Dito, ito mga hotels. Yan, mga hotel transient, mga ganun, mga maliliit lang. Mga hotel transient sa gilid. The Craigie Don Hotel. Tsaka puro matatanda. Siguro mo puro matatanda yung mga siguro alam mo yung mga ano, siguro mga pensionado na sila. Wala na silang gagawin, di ba? Yan, magta-travel sila, tapos pupunta sila sa mga ganito. Yun ang ginagawa nila. Kasi mga matatanda dito, sila na lang, wala naman silang makakasama. Yung mga anak na rin, hindi naman sila nakakasama eh. Kaya ganun, travel na sila. Tropa sila, di ba? Kaya makakita mo po, matatanda. Tapos bingo sila, ganun. Kagabi dun sa hotel namin, Diyos ko, putik na, pakaingay. Kasi sa baba ng hotel namin, yung lounge area, sa gilid nun meron pub, ganun. pang matatanda ang putik. Nandun sila lahat. Kakataan sila doon. Cute din eh. Nakakatuwa. Yan. Ano pa yung mga kainan? Sana meron.
Which is quite normal, I guess, for a toddler.
Andy!
Sam isn't really a picky eater when he was. I'll put that age.
Yeah, he only ate
The food.
He wasn't picky when he was that age. But then, it's just
Filipino time.
when he's growing.
Andy! Hello! Sige lang.
He just learned how to eat. It's too expensive. So I'm going to work to pay for her childcare.
Yes.
Doesn't make sense. Yes.
There's one in
Expensive play group.
There's one in Leeds that we will try. That's what I was telling him. Gab's nursery.
Ah, yeah.
Really good.
I mean, her current one's only £49.
Yeah.
Which is still expensive, but that's. She's too heavy these days.
Too heavy.
It's okay to lift it up, but
Come on, let's go with me. Let's go to the Philippines.
Oh my goodness.
and then you need to go meet your family, don't you? We're thinking Italy this year, maybe the Philippines next year.
This was really strong. Auntie, should I put?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, see?
It's on video, so you just want to crack it.
It's on video.
Cheers, guys! Family time. Family day.
No, it's nice to finally meet Natalie.
Yeah.
Last time we were here, she was.
I think, when was the last time you were here?
2 years ago.
April.
Oh, we were in Italy.
Yeah.
We were in Italy, yeah. My Luca's parents were getting married.
Alright.
He's also smiling.
Yes,
Yes, a smiling face.
So every year, Lucas going back.
usually. But we haven't been. We didn't go last year because of Argentina. And then we're planning on going this year. Now that we
Have like a proper steam.
and
And then after that, they're going to give you a full body massage to release all of that.
I don't know. I need that.
After that, I'm fine. After that, I'm fine.
Oh.
Before that, I
Because
really
you
couldn't
sweat,
breathe.
you will sweat a lot.
And my head is like racing and
And it will brings out the toxins inside your body.
headache.
Yeah. Oh.
So big.
Maybe you get that next time.
I did not believe it at first.
Oscar, what are you doing? What are you rubbing your bum in
That's why I
there
don't know
for?
if they will believe you if you put it on your invitation for me.
You want to go outside?
Yeah, because you're going to.
They don't believe that one. It's that's why the Chinese, after operation.
Hi! Will you say hi?
Hello from Blackpool.
I was waiting. She's waiting for the picture. Okay.
Hello from Blackpool.
Because she's not moving.
Oh,
Can I taste that? Are you crazy, woman?
look at yourself.
Who's that?
Is
Is that you? Is that the Lena there? Hi.
Oscar.
Give me some attention, please. Anybody, give me some.